news, I'm the retired comedian, and breaking news, Tesla reported their vehicle numbers. And to put everything into context, I'm going to tell you Tesla delivery numbers from ever since 2012, since they started reporting numbers, all the way to 2020. So this is, by the way, courtesy of Vincent. That's Vincent13031925 on Twitter from the Tesla community. You know what I'm saying? Tesla community's lit. If you're not on Twitter on the Tesla community, you're missing out. So anywho, in 2012, Tesla delivered a total of 2,650 cars. Now in 2013, the following year, a total of 22,477. The following year, 2014, 31,655 vehicles. The year after this, 2015, they delivered a total of 50,580. By the way, I'm saying these numbers, and just so you know, they haven't done a single commercial. They haven't put any marketing dollars into this. People have just been demanding this car. Following year, 2016, 76,295. Following year, 2017, 103,097. Following year, 2018, 245,240 vehicles. Following year, 2019, 367,500 vehicles. 2020, the year that we just left, Tesla delivered during a pandemic year, which means they were shutdowns. There were a bunch of things messing up production and different things going on. In 2020, Tesla delivered 499,550. Let me repeat that again. 499,550 vehicles. They're currently finishing up Giga Berlin. They're moving very, very fast at the factory in Austin. They already have talked about rumors about a factory in India to begin by the start of 2021, and yeah, this is just getting started. So if you haven't invested in the best EV company in the world, the company that's literally gonna take over so many different sectors, from energy to automotive to technology to AI to insurance to robotaxi to, oh my god, so many sectors that Tesla covers, is still highly undervalued. If you think the stock price is too high, believe me, it's going to get higher and higher and higher as time goes by. These numbers don't lie. And they haven't spent any money really on marketing and stuff like that. So, again, be part of the revolution. I hope you're invested. I can confidently tell you that based throughout my portfolios, the dominant stock is Tesla. And I am not a financial advisor. I'm just some retired comedian on the internet telling you what's working for me so you can make the best decision you can for yourself. Yeah. I love Tesla. Follow me at Comedian Retired on Twitter.